Hello, Hamster, and welcome to this lesson today on basic things you need to do every day on Hamster Kombat to ensure that you secure all of the Hamster Kombat tokens or coins you can gather. All right, so that's what this video is about, so that you don't miss out on important coins, because you need the coins to improve your profit per hour. So I'm going to show you the things you need to do every day. Don't miss it. So if this is your first time of stopping by, just go ahead and show some love. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that as soon as I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. Okay, quickly, let's get down to the assignment and main task of this video. All right, so as you can see on the screen, you see 2.31 million. The exchange has started working for you. Thank you, Binance. Now, this is, let me quickly collect it first. You see that 2 million is going to be added to this, 2.3 million. You can see, beautiful. So now, this is what's one of the things you need to do. I'm going to quickly show you about it. All right, so if you look at here, you see your profit per hour. This is my profit per hour, right? So you need to pay attention to it. Now, what's gathered that 2.3 million you just saw was this profit per hour. This is 769.12. And my goal, my target is to take it to 1 to 2 million per hour. And what would that be? Now, that amount was what was gathered in about 1 hour plus, not up to 2 hours. It was almost 2 hours though that I've been away. Now, the system is programmed that your profit per hour, once you have added your exchange, the exchange will work for you based on your profit per hour for 3 hours while you are away from the app. So that means that you can turn off the app, switch off your phone, and the exchange will be working for you in the background. And what it will generate will be based on your profit per hour. So let's say you have 100,000 profit per hour. It means that in 3 hours, it will gather for you 300,000. Now, after the third hour, it will stop working, waiting for you to open. So if you stay away for 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, it's only that 300,000 that it will gather for you for, for that entire period. Okay, because it's programmed to work that way. So first thing you need to always do is to make sure that you check back at least within 3 hours. Within 3 hours, come back and collect your what has been gathered for you. That's number one. Okay, and of course you need to improve your profit per hour so that you can keep growing. Like if I have 1 million now, it means that in 1 hour, if I'm away, it will generate 1 million for me. In 2 hours, it will be 2 million. In 3 hours, it will be 3 million. So now think about it that I log in every 3 hours in a day. It means that it gathers 3 million for me. Now, if you divide 3 hours, use 3 hours to divide 24 hours, that will give you like 8. So out of that 8, let me sacrifice 1 hour. Okay, so we'll be talking about 7, right? Okay, so that means that let's just take away 3 hours out of it. So that means that it will be 7 times 3, which will be 21 million. If you generate 1 million per hour, that means that in a day, this can work for you in the background and generate 21 million coins for you. All right. Okay. So the second thing you need to always focus on, you can see this one is blinking. I deliberately allowed it, until I'm ready to do this video, because I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time. Once it's midnight, is it midnight or 1 a.m.? Midnight, yes. You can see it's remaining 12 hours, because the time here on my phone is 12:25. So time here is showing remaining 12 hours, 33 minutes, right? So by 12 p.m., all right, 12 midnight rather, the new daily task will be up, will emerge, and this will start blinking. So every day, come to this from 12 midnight and come to daily reward, daily task, daily reward. Okay, there are a couple of things you do there. So first off, like today, this is my day 9. Now, I've been on this, all right, each day since I got started with Hamster Kombat, and I've never missed a day. So I'm collecting 1 million today. All right, so on day 10, which is tomorrow, I'm going to collect Thank you. I'm going to collect 5 million. Now, if I miss tomorrow, I'll lose this 5 million, although it will, after tomorrow, it will reset from day one. But assuming I didn't enter today, I would have lost this 1 million and also lost the 5 million, because by tomorrow, it will now reset it to day one. I'll start with 500 again. So never you miss a day. Any day you miss is coins missed. Take note. Any day you fail to check the daily reward section and collect is like coins missed. You may log in and fail to collect it. I don't even test it, whether it will cancel and reset. Don't even try. Just make sure you collect it every day. That's on that one. So still on this number 2, on the daily tax, always check here, because it's under this end button. Always open this end button. So when a new task is available, here it will start blinking. It will show red, rather. It will show red. So all of these tasks here, join Telegram, follow on X account, see the value, see what you get. This one is 5,000. In fact, if you are just joining Hamster Kombat newly, to boost your value or your coin value balances, so that you can start doing things, buying cards and all of that, you just quickly need to, in fact, just join Telegram and you get 5,000 and you have been upgraded already immediately from bronze to silver. Okay, and you become a CEO, and then you can start doing other things. So follow on X, 5,000, and all of that. You can see there, and invite 3 friends, you get 25,000. And then up here, any more coins. So Hamster Kombat will also be dropping tax, like this one was yesterday. To watch this video, Solana's new star, Jason Derulo, you can see that. So I watched it and I collected it already. So you just do that sometimes just to watch the video, and if you watch it after 1 hour, when they check to be sure that you've done that, then you get rewarded. All right, so let's get back. My 1 million has added to this. You can see it's now 12 million. All right, so that's number 2. Number 3 is under this boost. Click on tap the boost button, right? So you see here, free daily boosters, full energy. Every day you are given 6 full free energy. What is this about? And each of them lasts after you use up one, you wait for 1 hour to use up the next one every day. And it becomes available from midnight. So whenever you finish it, all right, it will not tell you how long to wait, depending on when you finish it. Assuming that you start from midnight, do at midnight, right? Then you wait for, it's either midnight or 1 a.m. GMT, right? If when you finish it, wait for 1 hour, do again. By 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., you would have finished it. It will not tell you, if you just check the time from that time, maybe like 12 plus 5, that will be around maybe 17 hours to wait for. But then, if I finish this around 6 p.m. today, it will just have to wait for 6 more hours. If I finish at 4 p.m., it's going to wait for another 8 hours or so. So it comes per day. If you don't use it, by midnight, it will expire. And then the new one will come up. If you use only one, by midnight it will expire. The new one comes. So don't waste this. This is a whole tapping period, because remember that your tapping is also counted, because there's a point where you can also get some values from tapping. So what I just do, I tap. And when I'm tapping, you see that you can see the levels there, plus 22. All right. If I want to increase it, I can just do this multi-tap, and it's only 1 point, and I don't want to spend 16 million to go to level 15. I don't want. So I don't want. Okay. Maybe when I'm approaching, or when I get to Lord, I may then buy. I may spend the 16 million to, just gather more coins. But for now, no, it's a no-go. Also here, you also see under here, you see energy limit. If I do this, just to increase by 500. If I pay under 16.3 million, I'll just add the energy, add extra 500 points to the level. And then this will become 12,000 here. You can see it's 11,500, and it was 11,000 when I was in master. As soon as I became grandmaster, they added 500. So once you graduate to a new level, extra 500 is added to your level, and extra one point per tap is also added for you. So it was at 25 before. Now, if I tap one now, 22, you can see it's 10 plus 22. So if you look at 11,500, okay, if I tap at 22, that means as you can see, 22 is deducted. So what this means is that if you divide 11,500 by 22, that will tell you how many taps you need to do to exhaust that. But who has the time? And of course, if my calculation is right, like if you just use 22 to divide that thing, that should be over 500, almost 600 times or so. But then, 500 times. Well, just use your calculator to calculate it, because I am not there now to calculate. I don't want to disturb my brain right now with it. But rather than me doing one by one, what I just do, I use more than one finger to tap. Please don't join those who go and use some robot or mechanical ways to say they want to be tapping and just be tapping. That can lead to a ban. Don't use your fingers to tap. Tap as a human beings. They have, you see, Hamster Kombat has invested a lot of software into this program that can detect cheaters or cheats, right? That can fish them out. In fact, one of the program, Pixel Tap has suspended the desktop version. Why? It is to prevent cheats from those who are cheaters. I better call them cheats, right? Whether cheaters or cheats, to prevent them from cheating. So use your mobile to do this so that you don't go, and please don't open multiple accounts. So once I exhaust this, you can see it's almost done now. I'm done with it. So what I do now, I just tap on the boost again. Okay, I tap on the boost. Why is wasting time? Okay, all right. So I now click on the point, tap the full energy. So I'm going to take the first free energy for the day. This is 12:33. So you can see that let me finish it. If you look at it, it can show you in 60 minutes time I come back. But now on that less than 1 minute, I'm going to finish this. But if you're tapping with one finger, how long will it take you to finish it? You can test that and put it in the description, in the comments, how long it took you with one finger to exhaust your energy levels or energy limit. All right, so with me, with multiple fingers, 5 fingers, in under a minute, I'm going to exhaust this, you see. So just type in the comments how long it took you to exhaust your own. Is it 1 minute? Is it 2 minutes? Is it 10 seconds? Just type it in the comments section there. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. Okay, I'm done with it. So next thing, let's go to boost. You can see it's still 60 minutes. So in less than a minute, I've exhausted that using 5 fingers to tap. So tell me in the comments how long it took you to exhaust yours. So 1 hour time, you come back. So with this now, you see that if you can come back every 1 hour, you exhaust your 6 refill for tapping, right? You exhaust them. Then, and by the time you are coming back in that 1 hour, if yours is, if like this one now that is 769 per hour, if I come back in 1 hour, it will have gathered 769 for me. Once I'm done with the 6 hours, then I can decide to be waiting for every 3 hours. I'll just come and collect about 2-point-something million on this value, right? Okay, but then after that, I can now continue what I'm doing. But another thing I need to do, just as a bonus, you can see I'm on Grandmaster now. I'm on Grandmaster and I have 113 million. And for Grandmaster is 100 million. This 13 million here, I'm going to use it. What would I use it for? I'm going to use it to increase my profit per hour. I'll use it to increase my profit per hour. That is what I'll be doing. Okay. So the goal is to keep on pushing it, but I'll never allow it to drop below 100 million so that I will remain a Grandmaster. If you fall below 100 million, you will not stop being a Grandmaster. But what if the airdrop happens while your coin balance is below the Grandmaster, while you're Grandmaster? Do you know whether there will be a penalty? Just avoid it. All right. So if you have found value and got value with this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends, let them know. Let's learn and know the things you need to do. I've mentioned how many things now. 1 is the exchange working for you. 2 is your daily reward. 3, there is your daily tax. And 4 is your going to the boost, taking your full energy, free full energy boosters for 6 hours per day. Okay, so also here, under these boosters here, if yours is still on level 1 for multi-tap, keep paying until you boost it up. And then the energy level, you may start at either 500 or 1,000. Keep on adding I think you start at 1,000, yes. So keep on adding 1,000 until you get to the level you choose to get to. And in fact, if you just get to maybe 8 or 5 or 7,000 or 10,000, all right, as you are upgraded in levels, the system will also be adding for you. I mentioned that already. So if you got value here, just give it a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you very much and God bless you. Remember, Hamster Kombat says, one for all and all for one. I say again, God bless you.